Okay, let's look at least common multiple. Remember, I had talked of this, talking of multiplication. 3 times 6 is 18. So 3 and 6, they are called factors, and 18 is called a product or multiple. So it can actually be called least common product or least common multiple. So now looking at 3 and 6, start writing the multiples. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. Similarly for 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Okay, we can keep writing 21, 24, then 27, 30. Okay, so this keeps on going, this keeps on going. Now what are the common multiples of 3 and 6? So 6 is common, 12 is common, 18 is common, 24 is common, 30 is common, right? But out of these, which is the smallest one? The smallest one is 6. So LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Let's look at 2 and 3. Write the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay. What about 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and it keeps going. Now here, what are the common multiples? 3 is not, 6, yes. Then 12 is common, and if you go a little bit further, 16 is common, 18 is common. But among this, which is the smallest? Smallest is 6. Okay. Let's look at, say, 12 and 16. Okay. So what is the LCM of 12 and 16? Now let me show you a different method. Start dividing both of them by a common factor. So common prime factor. So look at these two, they both are divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 2 6 are 2 8s are. Again they both have a common factor, so 2. So 2 3s, 2 4s. Now they don't have any common factor, so stop. Now LCM of 12 and 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. Multiply, multiply, multiply. So which is what? 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 3s are 48. Or 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 4s are 48. So 48 is the LCM. Okay. Let's say LCM of 9 and 3. So again 9 and 3 can't be divided by 2. So 3 3s and 1s. So multiply, multiply. So which is what? 3 into 3, which is 9. Okay, same way let's look at LCM of three numbers. So let us say 3, 6 and 9. Okay, so 3, 6 and 9 divide by a common factor. So they are all have 3 in common. So 3 ones, 3 twos and 3 threes. And multiply. So this can be written as 3 into 3 into 2 in any order you can write it. So 3 3s are 9 2s are 18. So 18 is the LCM. It doesn't matter how many numbers, LCM of how many numbers. You just find, just follow the same procedure. Okay, let's find the LCM of three numbers. So 12, 14, let's say 16. Okay, 2-digit numbers and that too 3 numbers. So follow the same procedure, list down all the 3 and start dividing. 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. Now again, if any two, okay, now again check whether any two numbers can be further divided. So yes, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 7 you write it as it is. Again check whether any two of these numbers can be divided or do they have a common factor. So 3, 7 and 4 have no common factors. So which means LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 4. So which boils down to 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 into 21. So 16 ones are 16, 1, 16 2s are 32, 33. 336 is the LCM. Okay, let's do it another way. Let's find the LCM of 12 and 14 first. Okay, so this is what, let's again do that. 12, 14, 2 6 2 7. So nothing in common. So 2 into 6 into 7, which is 6 2s are 12, 12 7s are 84. 84 is the LCM. Now let's find the LCM of 84 and 16. Yes. Okay, so again 84, 16. Divide. 2 4s 8, 2 2s 4, 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 21 and 4 have nothing in common. So the LCM would be what? LCM would be 2 into 2 into 21 into 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 into 21. Which is what? Again 336. Of course, if you do it using the second method, it will take that much more time. Now let's find the LCM of three numbers again. Let's do it for 60, LCM of 60, 87 and 78. Okay, so 60, 87, 78. So just see whether this is not divisible by 2, the rest 2 are. Now just check whether all 3 are divisible by 3. 7 plus 8 15, 7 plus 8 15. So 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. 3 2s are 6, 3 6s are 18. Now 20 and 26 are divisible by 2. So 2 10s, 29, 2 13. No two of them can be divided further. So the LCM would be 3 into 2 into 10 into 290, 29 into 13. So this will be 3 2s are 6. 6 60 into 13 into 29. Okay, so 60 is 8 into 8, 1, 780 into 29. So 0, 9 is a 72, 7, 9 7 is 63, 63 plus 7, 70. 8 to the 16. Okay, 8 to the 16, 1, 14, 15. So 0, 2, 6, 2, 2. LCM is 22620. So as you have noticed, not much of a problem in case of single digit numbers. It's easy, but the moment you get into two digit numbers, it becomes a little bit complicated, primarily because of the multiplications that is involved. Let's do one more. 20. Okay, LCM of 20, 52 and 64. So 20, 52, 64, 2 tens, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 common, so 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 3s are, or 2 16s are. Anything? No, there's nothing in common. So 5, 13, 16. So LCM would be what? 2 into 2 into 5 into 13 into 16. So multiplying this, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20 into 13 into 16. 13 2s are 26, 260 into 16. Okay, so 260 into 16 will give you, so 16 6 are 96, 6 9, 32, 32 plus 10, 42 minus 1, 41. So 4160 is the LCM. Okay, so as you will see as we go along, LCM is very, very important. The better you are at finding LCM, there are so many other problems that can be solved very quickly. Okay, so bye for now.